If you are facing problem in transfer, renewal and management of your domain like .com and .org, etc. with Net4India, now there is a good news for you. Soon you will not need any auth code for transfer of your domain. On 20th April 2021, ICANN announced that it has invoked the de-accredited registrar termination procedure to enable successful transition of domain names currently registered with Net4India Limited to an ICANN accredited registrar that can appropriately serve registrants. So what does it mean for you? ICANN will identify and select a gaining registrar. The gaining registrar will help the domain name registrants with renewal, transfer, and management of their domain names. ICANN expects to announce the gaining registrar within the next 2 weeks. Once the gaining registrar will be identified and confirmed, it will be listed on the ICANN's bulk transfer page, which includes the following: name of the terminated registrar, name of the gaining registrar, and date of the termination of the registrar like Net4India. You can periodically check the status at bulk transfer page of ICANN. Please refer to the link as provided in the video description area. As per Mr. Samiran Gupta, head of India ICANN, once a gaining registrar is identified, your domain names will be automatically transferred to them. There is no need for an auth code. Once the transfer of domain registrations will be completed, the gaining registrar will contact the registrants with information on how to access and maintain their domains. You would not have to pay anything for this bulk transfer process. But wait, there are some exceptions to this bulk transfer process. As per the ICNN, domain names registered under country code top level domains like .in will not be subject to this bulk transfer process. That means you have to get auth code for your .in domain. So you have to contact CCTLD, that means country code top level domains manager at NICSI. Please see the link in the video description area. The second point, domain names registered with registrars through Net4India Limited's reseller services are also not part of this de-accredited registrar termination procedure. This completes the latest update regarding Net4India. For any help, you can follow ICNN blog on Net4India. And don't ever trust on third-party mediators offering to transfer your domain